The UPPERCASE GhostCover Premium Ultra Thin Keyboard Cover Protector offers a low-profile safeguard for select MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models, including M1 through M4 versions. Think of it like an invisible superhero cape for your keyboard, designed to help shield against dust, small spills, and the occasional snack crumb. Installation is relatively straightforward. Just lay it on, no magical incantations required. Some users might love the peace of mind, while others could find it slightly changes their typing feel. Ultimately, it's a light, protective option that won't weigh your MacBook down, so you can decide if it's the perfect sidekick for your keys. And, unlike other keyboard covers, it's designed to avoid interfering with the precision alignment of the screen lid to the body. Thanks for watching TrendPunk Reviews, and please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps us keep providing honest reviews. We live with and use each product so you can make the best decision for you.